Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Because you feel your parents will check, she will scream, he will scream. No. This is not the age to have secret chattings. If you can check that if the parents is, no harm will be there. Secret chatting come only when you grow more matured. I always say to my kids, after 18 years, I will give you freedom. Till 18 years, you just be open to me. So this should be carried out. Because it is not because we don't trust our children. It only because that the mind is not that much matured, so that you know what is good and bad. We sometimes get messages from some friends, and then we try to talk to them, chat with them. But chatting is not bad, but then we should not get carried away.
आणि ते स्कीमरान कितें जाता खबर आसा तेन्ना आमी कार्ड घातले काय ना जो आमचो कार्डाचो डेटा आसा तो सगळो स्कीमरान कॉपी जाता
80 to 90% of all over the world, basically students are the most targeted victimized of this cyber crime.